Aside from digital product selling, marami ring nagtatanong sa akin kung paano ba yung dropshipping. And today, I'm gonna share with you the step-by-step on how to start a real dropshipping business. So, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba yung dropshipping, kung paano yan nag-work, and kung paano natin yan isa-set up at imo-market online. So, stay tuned lang till the end of this video kasi i-guide ko kayo from setup to selling your first product. Welcome back to our channel. Ako nga po pala si Rose. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating channel, i-click mo na ang subscribe button, pati na rin ang notification bell para updated ka kung may mga bago tayong upload na video na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. And today nga, we're diving into dropshipping, which is one of the easiest and most flexible business model that you can start online. So kung gusto mo magkaroon ng sariling store without handling stocks or inventory, this video is for you. So now nga learners, let's start with the basics. So alamin nga natin kung ano nga ba yung dropshipping. So learners, to explain it simply, yung dropshipping is an online store setup kung saan ikaw yung nagbebenta. And then kapag ka may umorder sa'yo, merong third-party manufacturer or ibang company na mag-i-store ng inventory, magpapack at magde-deliver ng product. So basically in dropshipping, kikita tayo dyan from what we call profit margin. So Miss Rose, ano naman yung profit margin? So, yung profit margin, ayan yung difference ng kung magkano mo ibebenta yung product versus kung magkano talaga yung actual price niyan. So, like for example, this product cost $99.17. So, pwede tayong mag-markup dyan at ibenta yan at $109.17. So, yung difference dyan na $10, ayan yung profit mo. So, basically, learners, that's how dropshipping works. So, now naman to proceed, alamin naman natin yung mga kailangan natin to start dropshipping. So, the first one nga dyan is that we need an online store. So, ayan kasi learners, yung gagamitin natin to market our product. Next, we need to find supplier. So, si supplier naman yung magfulfill ng mga orders para sa mga customers natin. And lastly, we need capital. So, para saan naman yung capital, Miss Rose? So, dito kasi learners, like any other business, kailangan natin ng pondo to start and run the business properly. So, ngayon nga, alam na natin yung basics of dropshipping. We will now proceed sa step-by-step process from creating our online store to marketing our products online. And to start, meron akong i-introduce sa inyo na platform na pwede natin gamitin sa ating dropshipping business. And this is Sellvia. So, Miss Rose, ano ba yung platform na yan? So, Sellvia is an all-in-one e-commerce ecosystem built to help people start and run a dropshipping business even if you have no previous experience. So here kasi ang maganda, number one, tutulungan nila tayong mag-build ng sarili nating online store. And aside from that, dito rin meron silang premium store packages. So there, meron ng mga ready-made online stores na meron ng designs, product, and setup. So by having that kasi, we can start selling right away. And aside from that, here with Sellvia, meron silang marketing services. So matutulungan nila tayong i-promote yung store and products natin through ads and marketing campaigns. So basically dito, kahit wala kang experience sa e-commerce or digital marketing, may team na tutulong sa atin from setup to promotion. And add ko lang din with Sellvia, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko is that unlike with typical suppliers from China or AliExpress, Sellvia ships directly from California, USA. So ibig sabihin yan, pwede tayong mag-sell sa US and ang delivery time niyan is 1 to 3 days lang. So diba, mabilis siya, reliable, and mas maganda yung customer experience. So in short, Sellvia makes it easier for anyone to start an online business kasi they provide the store, the product, the fulfillment, and even the marketing support. So ngayon learners, ready ka na bang magsimula? So to start the process, punta nga lang tayo sa kanilang official website at sellvia.com. So once na nandito na nga tayo sa kanilang main dashboard, iselect nga lang natin yung start button. And then after that, iset up mo lang yung account account mo with your name and email. And then once na nakapag-set up na tayo ng account, we will now proceed dun sa 4 simple steps kung paano tayo makakapag-start ng dropshipping business natin using Sellvia. So now, let's start with the step 1, which is to create our online store. So again, learners, yung online store natin, ayun yung magsisilbing official website natin na kung saan pwedeng mag-browse at umorder yung customer natin. Now, here with Sellvia, ang maganda, pwede tayong pumili from building from scratch or pumili na lang dun sa kanilang mga premium stores wherein meron na nga yung design and product. Pero ayan naman, learners, again, optional lang yan kasi nga we can build from scratch. Kung gusto mo lang mapabilis ka and para less hassle, you can choose from their premium stores. Now, punta naman tayo dun sa step 2, which is yung pag-a-add ng product. So here with Sellvia, ayan, meron silang full catalog of trending products. So pwede mo nga yung i-import sa store mo in just a few clicks. And dito, learners, sa maganda sa mga product nila, meron niya mga ready-made description, photos, and ad creative. So by having this, hindi mo na talaga kailangan gumawa from scratch. Now, for step 3, we need to promote our store. So dito na nga papasok yung marketing. So here with Sellvia, ang maganda, meron silang mga marketing services na ino-offer and pwede rin tayong mag-create ng own campaigns natin sa ating mga social media accounts like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. So dito nga sa platform na to, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko talaga is yung pag-o-offer nila ng mga marketing services kasi nga they will provide ad creatives, so mas madali nating mapopromote yung product natin. So mas madali na ngayon for us, and kahit na hindi tayo marketer, may guide na tayo or meron ng mag-guide sa atin kung paano tayo makakapag-market effectively. And by the way dito, remember, marketing is all about testing. So hindi naman 100% guaranteed na magkakaroon tayo ng sales kapag ginamit natin yung marketing services nila. Pero by using this, we can experiment audience and ad style. So dito nga kapag ang ginamit nating platform sa dropshipping business natin is itong si Sellvia. So kapag merong bumili sa store natin, si Sellvia na yung bahala sa lahat. From packing to shipping, siya na yung magpo-process niyan. So makikita na nga lang natin dito sa dashboard yung orders and profit margin natin. So literally, ang focus na lang natin dito is i-manage yung store and i-improve yung marketing side. So basically, by using Sellvia, meron na tayong sariling team behind our business. And ayun, learners, that's how you can start your dropshipping business using Sellvia. So again, pwede kayong mag-explore, pwede kayong mag-create ng demo store nyo and makita yung dashboard ninyo. So if you want to explore your own demo store and dashboard, you can try that for free. So click nyo lang yung link below. So nilagay ko po lahat ng details dyan. And ayun, so I think that's it for our video today, learners. Hope you like this video and please share this video para marami pa tayong matulungan online. And ayun, so goodbye for now. See you on our next video.